So I have here a 5-camera dash cam to cover your front, back, sides, and insides. It's extremely easy to use, has really good 4K quality day and night, 24-hour parking monitor, Wi-Fi, and a screen to preview it all at once. It has voice control, built-in GPS, and even has a dashboard function. So let's just have a look at everything this thing can do. This is the Driveye D9 5-channel dashcam.
MrBlack.
And by the way, welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. And if you're new here, you like gadgets and gear, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button, and I'll put links to everything down in the description. Now, Driveye did send this, and they're sponsoring this video so that I could take the time to set this thing up, figure out how it works, and share my experiences and results with you guys. So before we set this up, let's just have a quick look at what we get in the box. In the box, you get a little diagram here to help you figure out what you're doing. You get the main unit right here with the screen and 3 cameras. You have your front camera that you can lift up and down depending on how you have it mounted on your window, so you can get the perfect angle, and you can even move it left to right. You also have the inside or side cameras that you can swivel around all the way to the front or the side, or even sideways if you need to get a different angle. And that works with both sides as well. On the top, you have the power USB-C, you have your micro SD card slot, and it does come with a 128 gigabyte micro SD card. And then you have your 2 channels for your baby monitor and your back camera. You also get all of your cables and cable management tools. And look at this one right here. This is gonna be the inside baby monitor camera, and this is gonna be your rear camera. And you get your car charger. It also comes with a set of instructions so you can easily see how to work this thing. But installing this is actually really simple. Just use the adhesive mount, attach it to your windshield wherever you want it to be. And that is removable once it's on there. So that way you can just access the camera if you need to take that off. And then you're gonna run your USB power around, plug it into your 12-volt charger, and it also gives you an extra USB port in case you need to charge other devices. And then we're gonna hook up the baby monitor camera. So maybe you were driving and you wanna check in on your child. You can set it on your own headrest facing backwards, or you can set it on the backseat headrest and face it forward where the baby would normally be facing that in a car seat. I mean, you can even use this to, check in on your dogs, which is how I would use it. And then you run that long cable, you can make that really tighty, and the actual channels here you can actually see they are different sizes, so you'll know which one to plug in where. And then you have the back camera, which does take a little bit of assembly, and you might want to put this together before you get to your car because you can drop the little screws, but they do give you extra ones in case you do drop them. But you follow the instructions and you put it together, and it's actually really simple and pretty smart too, because every back windshield is different, and this lets you put it on but also angle it how you would need to. Run that cable all the way to the front. These cables are very long, so if you have a longer car or truck, this will work with that. And once you get it all plugged in, you fire it up, and it's really cool because you can see all 5 cameras on this at once, and you can shuffle through each camera angle, and it's all recording at the same time. And this is the quality of it. I'm in Australia, so I'm on the other side of the road in case you're like, what is going on here? So yeah, this is the quality of it. The front is the only 4K camera. The rear is a 2K camera, and then the other ones are 1080p. And because these lenses are 150-degree angle, wide field of view, it does capture everything. So if someone swipes you or does something, you have it all captured. Another really cool feature is dashboard mode. You can just have this set up there and you can use it to keep track of your speed and whether you're in the lane or not. And it tracks all of that stuff so that if there was any discrepancy of speed or whatever, it's keeping all of that on file. Like I said, you're covered. But a really smart feature is voice control, where you can just say, show me the front camera, show me the rear camera. You can go through and see all the voice commands. There's a whole list of them, and that keeps you just completely hands-free from touching it. So if you're driving and you just want to see the back camera, just say, show me the back camera, and it does it right away. Show rear camera. It has loop recording where you can even change the length of that loop recording. So let's say you have it set for like 3 minutes. It will record for 3 minutes. And if something happens, it's pre-recorded those 3 minutes. So you have all of that saved. If nothing happens, it just kind of records over itself. And then it has a G sensor, which knows if something, hits your car or a big bump, and you can set that sensitivity level of that sensor, whether it's a car door shutting or if it's a full-on accident, it will automatically start that recording and that loop recording, so you don't have to. And then if you get the hardware kit to hook up to your battery, you can use the 24-hour parking mode. And that's when you're parked overnight or whenever. So if someone does run into you while you're parked, it will actually capture all of that as well. It's heat resistant, which operates either negative 22 Fahrenheit all the way up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit without overheating. And it also has 5G Wi-Fi, which you can use to connect to their app, and you can preview or download any videos directly to your phone. If you're an Uber driver, you just do a lot of driving, something like this would be very important. And yeah, I think that this is a really good option. I've been using it now for over a month, just testing it out, and it's never failed. It's captured everything. Luckily, I have not had any accidents with it, but I've tested out the auto record with the sensors and it does work. Having said all of that, you can check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price and your currency. But if you're looking for a reliable 5-camera dash cam, this is a really great option. And thanks so much for watching today's video. If you want to see some other really cool gear, I'll have some on the screen, especially that car accessories video, that one right there. It's quick, it's got some really cool accessories for your car. So click that one or any of the other ones and I'll see you there.